Classic Motorcycle Restoration Australia here with a customer bike that has been given to us for restoration. This is a Honda SS125 from the late 1960s. Most of the bike is in the original shape, and it has the original frame and swing arm. The bike at the moment does not have a mud guard, but we will need some time to source our parts. But when the job is finished, it should be a wonderful piece. This bike came with, when it was handed to us, it came with the original mufflers and a lot of the original parts, but it didn't have everything, so we still have to look for some parts. It has original rims but different tyres. When it was given to us, we were given the original chain, but it is currently broken. The fuel tank, although rusty, is in good condition, and that is the original seat that came with it as well. The mufflers are falling apart. But they would be pretty old. There's the fuel tank.